Magandang hapon po. Ngayon po ay Sunday, January 11, 2026 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5pm draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 5pm draw result ngayong hapon ng Sunday, January 11, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto, 5pm. 3D Lotto, 5pm draw result ngayong hapon ng January 11, 2026 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto, 5pm. 'See you again later for 9pm draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, 3D Lotto and 2D Lotto for Sunday, January 11, 2026. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 and Super Lotto 649 for January 11, 2026, Sunday. Thank you for watching this 5pm video for Sunday, January 11, 2026. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.